Ben Kratz with the Omaha Storm Chasers Baseball Club, the only professional team in the Omaha area. A good league for us is anyone who's looking to advertise with about 500,000 eyes on it per year at a unique setting at Warner Park. We also are in the business of special events, whether it be a wedding, a concert, any kind of venue that can be at an outdoor stadium. And also for your group needs, if you want to bring your company out and enjoy a nice day at the ballpark, call us at the Omaha Storm Chasers.